Think Green, Think Ventora is a program that's been in place for around 12 months now. Now, we've always done bits and pieces, but for what we're trying to achieve right now, it's about how we build this into our DNA, where we are creating a much smaller footprint on the planet than we've done in the past. My name's Scott Kelly. I'm the Chief Executive Officer for VENTORA Group. At VENTORA, we design, manufacture and distribute aluminium doors and windows, timber doors, shower screens, wardrobes, splashbacks across 5 different continents. So this project has 2 real benefits for our organisation. The first is on the commercial side of things, where we're paying less for our electricity, and as a manufacturer in Australia, that's really, really important. The second part around the ESG piece and reducing our Scope 2 emissions is absolutely critical. Our employees want us to do that, our customers want us to do that, our suppliers want us to do that, and this feels like we're making some giant steps and giant strides in that direction.
Hello, I'm Julian Freeland, the ESG Manager for the VENTORA Group. In VENTORA, we've been on the front foot electrifying most of our business operations, and to help reduce our footprint, investing in solar has brought some certainty with cost. Energy is like a raw material. It's required to produce manufacture. So bringing some certainty to our ongoing operational costs through investing in solar enables planning for future growth, future investment, knowing that we've got a certain locked-in component of energy will cost X over a certain period of time, frees up capital that can then go towards new materials, new innovations, or new equipment.
Hello, I'm Catherine Hoogestegger, General Manager at Smart Commercial Energy. When we look at a large national rollout, what we do is an in-depth analysis across their portfolio. When we began our discussions with the VENTORA Group, what we wanted to do is make sure that we were able to assist them in meeting their ESG needs. Then we were able to assist them with the funding and also the asset management of these projects. The Solar 7 projects are funded by GreenPeak Energy, and because of this, it means that these assets will be maintained and managed for the next 15 years.
I'm Hamid Farawi, COO of GreenPeak Energy. GreenPeak Energy is providing the long-term power purchase agreement for the VENTORA Group's portfolio of solar rollouts. We were brought in quite early in engaging with the client and Smart Commercial together at the same time to ensure that both construction risk and ongoing operation and commercial risks were understood and managed throughout the whole process. Fundamental to this project was sustainability reporting, surrendering of the LGCs, renewable energy certificates, on behalf of the customer, and delivering a platform that allowed them easy access to the ongoing visibility of how their portfolio is performing.
So our emissions profile within a manufacturing organisation, we're all on this journey to reduce it. Now for us, that means net zero by 2050, but by 2030, which is only 4 short years away, to reduce our emissions profile by 25%. And this solar program achieves 16% of that 25%. So we're very excited by the prospects for this and rolling it out further beyond the program. If you're thinking about doing solar and you're concerned because you've got a landlord and it's not your building or a big capital outlay, I would just say work with the Smart Commercial team. There are ways. For our particular project, our landlord agreed and thought it was fantastic. It wasn't a straight up discussion. It needed to happen over a number of meetings, but we got there and it's well worth the effort. From a CapEx perspective, our capital outlay is 0. And yes, it comes into the energy price over the course of the contract, but there are ways of making things happen. So my advice to anyone thinking about this is have the conversation with Smart Commercial and see how that unfolds. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.